In this video, we'll guide you through using the International Qualifications Conversion tool on UQ's study.uq.edu.au website to check if your qualifications meet the academic requirements of a program. Before applying, you will need to ensure you have met the right requirements to enter your desired program. For undergraduate programs, you need to have completed the equivalent of Queensland Year 12, attained the minimum entry score, passed the prerequisite subjects if applicable, attained the required level of English, and have completed any program-specific application requirements. For postgraduate coursework programs, you will need to have completed a previous qualification and/or work experience, attained the minimum grade point average, attained the required level of English, and met any other program-specific requirements. To use the conversion tool, you will need to first go to your preferred program page on the UQ website. On the UQ website, www.uq.edu.au, click on Study and type either the name of the program or the program code into the search bar. Make sure you've chosen I'm an international student in the top right-hand corner. After being directed to a list of related programs, select your program from the results shown. On the program webpage, in the Overview tab, you'll find the program description and to the right, a column with the International Qualification Conversion tool. Before using the tool, please ensure the tab in the top right corner of the tool says International and follow these steps. Choose the year you want to begin study. Choose the semester you want to begin study. Select where you have completed your qualification. Select the appropriate qualification that you have studied. For undergraduate programs, you will see the minimum entry score needed for entry into your program. For postgraduate programs, you will see the grade point average or GPA equivalent needed for program entry. If you can't find your qualification on the list, we encourage you to contact us. You can still apply and we will assess your eligibility. Click here to see the full entry requirements, including prerequisite subjects, English language requirements, and any other program-specific requirements. If you don't meet the academic requirements of your program, consider another pathway, such as a UQ Foundation program or an English language pathway. If you have any questions about the application process or what to provide, feel free to contact us directly or speak to your agent. We look forward to welcoming you to the University of Queensland.